channel. I came up with this burgundy smoky eye, so if you want to see how I create it, stay tuned for the look. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Plouise base, and I'm going to blend it from the bottom of my lid up, but not all the way to my eyebrow. That way it leaves some space in between, so when I blend it will be smooth. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the shade Morocco from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid into the crease first to get the color that I want, and then I'll go on and blend it. And as I'm blending, I'm adding more color to it. Just keep blending. Okay, so I'm going to keep adding more color, and I'm going to keep blending to make sure that it has the fading effect. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Saharan 2, and the shade is Zora, and I'm going to put that in the crease, and I'm going to blend it into the other shade that I have. And I'm going to keep blending the two colors together. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with the shade Morocco to blend the two shades together. That way they merge perfectly. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Nubian 2, and the shade is Jezebel. I think that's the name of it. But I'm going to go ahead and put that color underneath the other shade that I just put down, and then I'm going to blend the two. Now, I do go back and forth with the colors to make sure that everything is blended well. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Saharan, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Chad, and I'm gonna put that underneath that color, and then I'm gonna blend them all together again. And you'll see me going back and forth with the colors, adding more colors, blending, and you just keep blending. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Plouise Rumour 3 base, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Because I don't have a big lid to work with, so I do go above the little crease that I do have to cut my crease. That way it gives me more space to work with. Okay, I'm gonna add the shade Chad again to the outer corner, and then I'm gonna put the shade Jezebel on top of it. That way it blends in with the rest of the eye. And what I do to get my shades to blend in once I do my cut crease, I actually just pat it on and I just feather it as I go. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Zulu palette, and it's the metallic rose gold shade that they have in there. I didn't see the name for it. If I find it, I'll list it down below. But I do put that on the rest of my lid and I blend it into the outer part. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner. Okay, so I'm gonna use the dual lash glue to apply the glitter this time. I usually use the NYX glitter glue, but I ran out, so I just chose to use this time. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Flutteredbyro glitter in the baby pink and the periwinkle all chunky glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and contour and all of that off camera, and then I'll be back to finish the rest of my face. Okay, I'm gonna line my eyes with the Maybelline gel liner in black. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Jazable, and I'm gonna put that under my eye and blend it out to give it that smoky effect. Okay, this is the final look. I hope that y'all enjoyed.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can never miss another video.
And I'll see you in the next video.